What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the garage today. Figured we'd take you along for today's ride. Today what we're going to be doing, I'm going to show you guys, we got a Yfz450r engine here, all torn apart already. We had some damage in this engine. Show you guys right here. This is first gear, and that is a tooth missing off first gear. We got the cases right here, and we have a nice new transmission from B&R Motorsports from here, so huge thank you to them. So this engine I did build right before the season. This was for my buddy Mark. You guys might have seen that video. We did that in a couple parts, and then we did an install video. So this engine has 7 hours on it, and after round 2 he noticed a funny noise coming from it, almost like the clutch was letting go, but he had already updated the basket, so we knew that it wasn't that. So he got it here, we pulled it apart, we checked the clutch, that was fine. We checked the flywheel and the stator bolts, and those were fine. So we knew right then and there, we were able to isolate it between the main shaft and the counter shaft. Just spinning those together, we could feel it. We could feel that little space slipping, and that was creating the noise. So we knew something was up with the transmission. So we had to split the cases, open it up, and then this is what we found. So this was used internals, you know what I mean? Basically we rebuilt a used engine. His transmission, if you guys remember, his engine from last year at round 8, I believe it was, Twisted Fence, he grenaded his engine. I believe the rod let go, something like that, and it damaged a lot of parts. It damaged the transmission, it damaged the cases, it damaged the cylinder, it damaged the piston. So he got this one used. Not sure how much time's on it, but, and I'm not even sure how this even happened, but either way, it ran for 7 hours, and then this happened at the last race at round 2. So we're gonna rebuild this one today, guys. We got gaskets, we got everything we need. We're gonna do this quick. We're just gonna do it in time lapse because I already have a real time engine build video for you guys for reference. So that's the one I want you guys to use for reference. So hopefully you enjoy that one, but this is just for entertainment purposes. We're going to do it in time lapse. We're going to clean these cases, we're going to put new main bearings in them, and then slap this bad boy together and try to get it done quick so Mark can have his race engine back. All right, so let's get to work. Yo, all right guys, we finished this up pretty quick. We're gonna do a contest for you guys. Guess the correct time, how long this took me without going over. The person closest to the correct time is gonna win some On One Wheel 7 swag. So drop your guess in the comments. I'm pretty good at the YFZ engine, guys, so this did not take me long. Keep in mind, I only had to change the main bearings and then just rebuild the engine. The oil pump was already installed and a couple of the miscellaneous pieces that you will see in the video. So we got this thing together. Mark has the starter, so we'll put that in once we see him. And then Mark also has the clutch, the frictions and the steels for the Recluse, so we'll do that once we see him and pop this in his quad. So we might do a video on that. It'll just be like a quick update video and like a first start video, guys, just to show you. But it's done. It's hot in here. We still do not have AC in the garage. It's going to get fixed next week. That unit outside got damaged in the flood, so it definitely kind of sucks working in here. I'm kind of soaked. And next on my to-do list today is lots of tires and tire balls for some friends. We got to start this pile and get all these things set up for my buddies. But that's a wrap for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, that helps a ton, and make sure you drop a comment and guess a time on how long this took me to rebuild. And if you're not yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.